Hello, this is V1DFC, just doing a random video there. This video was on my new laptop. Well, it's new to me anyway. It's a Gateway 56, or it's an NV56 something something. Well, I'll get to that later. Anyway, what I had to do, I never had to do, but I decided to upgrade the RAM. So this is the original RAM that was in it. And I've been having trouble getting RAM for this laptop because most of the shops here don't carry 1600 speed DDR3. They only carry the 6333 or the 1333 and the 1066. So I needed the 1600. And apparently the one that I got in it there now is also Mac compatible. But even though it's Mac compatible, it is still able to be used for PCs, which is fantastic. Anyway, I popped it in and popped the cover, and as you can see, there it is right there. The blue one is the factory 4 gig on the bottom, and the one on top is slot number 2, and that's 4 gig Future Shop brand or whatever. And there's the wireless card. I don't know if it'll focus. It has a Western Digital 500 gigabyte hard drive, and there's the battery compartment here. Focus. There's the battery compartment here. This is the battery. And you have to put a pen down in this to release the battery, but I'm not going to take the battery out because the battery is a battery. Well, that's it. On the back there is no ports, and it's pretty slim. And as we move it around to the side, we have our dual layer multi DVD writer or CD-ROM. We have two USB 2.0, and as we come to the front of the machine, it's pretty well nothing until you get here at the end where there is a multi-card reader. And this is the cover that goes back on. Goes on like so. And I'm not going to put it on there now because it's a bit of a pain in the ass get now. But anyway, it goes on like that. So I'll put it on after. But yeah, it's got Windows 8. Oh yeah, the other side. I forgot to go and do the other side. I can get a hold of it here. The other side has a couple of interesting ports. USB 3.0. That is USB 3.0, which is fantastic. HDMI out. VGA out. There's the CPU fan exhaust, power jack, and of course your Ethernet port, and your microphone and your speaker jacks. So yeah, so that's what it basically looks like underneath. Flip her over. Nice shiny red, if my camera will focus. There we go. Nice brushed stainless steel looking Gateway symbol there. Got like a almost like a velvet circular. Reminds me of the carpet in my house actually. my old family house. But anyways, so that's the laptop like that. So we open it up. Nice big large keyboard. And there's the original factory specs. If I can just get in there. It's an NV56R03h with an Intel B960 processor, Intel HD graphics, that does have 128 dedicated, rest is shared. Had 6 gigs of RAM, DDR3 memory RAM, now it has 8. It has BG and N wireless. It has a multi-double layer drive, 50 gig hard drive, and a 5x6 9x9 HD LED LCD screen. Say that 10 times fast. And so yeah, so here's the touchpad, buttons, nice and big. And I know this is not a gaming laptop, but for my gaming purposes it suits me best kind. I do a bit of online gaming. For example, I play Combat Arms, and it's not really a big graphics demanding game, and this computer handles it just fine. Now, I said earlier, this computer has Windows 8. I don't know what to think of Windows 8 because I haven't had too much dealings with it. I like Windows 7, and I turn on my machine. And gateway. Choose an operating system. Anyway, there we go, Windows 8. Now, all this app stuff drives me absolutely nuts. So what I'm going to do is just bring it to my desktop. And yes, that's Ryback, my cat. So it's on the desktop. Let's see, what can I do for a demo? System properties. System properties. Windows Experience Index. Now I don't know if you can see this. 6.1, 7.6, 4.6, 7.5, 7.9. Now I don't know about you, but that's not too shabby for an Intel based laptop. And yes, that's my clock going off in the background too. Yeah, what can I say? So yeah, so that's this computer, my gateway computer. And just I don't know if it's a short video, but just a video. I haven't had any videos, and yes, I'm still working on my Titanic model, just I haven't been working on it. So gotta put more time into that. Well, anyway, thanks for watching and subscribe.